Alright everybody, it is a very rainy Thursday, and we've got Big Kitty back again. I think, I can't really see him, but, oh, yep, Big Maggie's over there too. It's been a while since Big Kitty's shown up for dinner. I haven't seen him. Sika was around here somewhere, but considering Big Kitty's here, she might, have left. Hey, big guy. Ooh. Baby Ruth is here too? I can smell him from where I'm sitting. Baby kitty. Come here, fella. Poor boy. I will give him his own food, but unfortunately I didn't grab a second can, and all of my dry food is in their bowl. Oh, it's getting cold. It was warm pretty much all week, but today it's been wet and chilly. But that's okay for Big Kitty. Come here, sweet guy. Let me give you some pets. I bet he is super stinky up close today because of the wet. It's just rain. Oh. Where are you going? Where are you going? He's hiding so he can stay dry. Poor fella. No interest. Well, I am very cold, and it is raining, and I think I'm gonna head on home, which unfortunately will startle them, but you know, it's what happens. Just life as a yam guardian. Oh, big kitty. Alright, I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye, kitties.